open the Barbie mine?
You want to open it? Yeah, of course.
Ooh, look.
Eyebrow. Eyebrow.
Can I open the Barbie?
Of course.
I want that one.
There you go.
Thank you. Oh, that's close. That's her. I want you.
Open it.
What's that?
Play-Doh.
I keep doing it. I keep doing it.
I bought you some extra Play-Doh. Open the plastic.
There you go.
Let me help you.
Thank you.
There you go.
Ooh. Thank you.
There you go.
Ooh.
There you go.
Winning best championship performance and men's athlete. I lost the words. It's been a hell of a run, to say the least.
You can do it.
And this game will not
Wait,
be
wait,
NBA Finals history. Now running this week.
I do it.
Good job.
Wait, I put shoes on down. Play-Doh.
Wow.
Man, whoa, these look, purple bag.
That is a purple purse. I love it.
Why put it down?
Oh, looks like you have something here.
Okay, why do you open, Mom? What do you open?
You need some help?
Yeah, Barbie should. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm sorry.
Wow.
I got it's Play-Doh. Play-Doh. I like it. Let me see. Let me see, Mom.
Of course. Let's just look at the directions. Okay, go ahead. Tell Mommy what to do.
Yeah, I like that hair. That hair. I want purple hair. Cut it up in purple hair. I'm gonna cut the purple hair.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah. What?
Good job.
Now I'm gonna push it up.
Wow.
Look, it's done. What deep?
You want some more?
Yeah. I want some more. Alright. I gotta take it out.
Do you like the toy?
Yeah.
Is the toy fun?
Yeah. What I
Yay,
put-
you like it.
Oh, then I have. What's here? Found it. Oh.
You're doing a good job.
I did 10 minutes. Open it up. Oh no!
I don't like that. Do some more.
That's easy. I can do it.
Here you go. You want to use that too?
Oh, thanks.
Perfect. Would you like for me to open another color?
Yeah.
You want this open?
I see brown. It's my one.
Okay, I'll open it.
Okay.
Here you go.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
What is the rainbow color?
okay, I hit $1 million, I'm gonna go in and, validate this.
Right.
And here we are, $1 million.
Oh no, it's not.
Oh my God. Is that?
Daddy.
I'm
Yeah.
Okay, $1,000,000.
Daddy.
Are you telling me you just won $1 million? I did, Carol. I won $1 million.
Barbie is what?
Barbie hungry.
Okay. Barbie is hungry.
Two living rooms with the 2 fireplaces. And the tech.
The only thing it really didn't have was a huge kitchen. I know.
There's nothing out of it. Yeah.
Except the price, which may be really expensive.
Then
Mm.
we went over to Barnstable.
There was some great house there that felt more like a regular home you'd see in Massachusetts.
Love the kitchen. The kitchen was great, David.
Yeah, it had a nice, well, yeah.
Yeah.
I love you.
Love you.